So today we're going to rhyme, we're going to delete, and we're going to substitute. I'll say a word and two more words. Tell me which word rhymes with the first word and see if you can say it before I do. Which word rhymes with skunk, trunk, or skate? Skunk, trunk. Which word rhymes with guess, bright, dress? Guess, dress. Which word rhymes with snack, snake, black? Snack, black. Which word rhymes with twist, fist, twice? Fist, twist. Which word rhymes with shook, flake, look? Look, shook. Which word rhymes with draw, straw, does? Straw, draw. And which word rhymes with ground, good, or pound? Ground, pound. We are going to move on to deleting from the end of words. So I'll say a word. We're going to take away the last sound and see what word is left. Say grape. Without p, what is left? Gray. See if you can say it before me. Say herd. Without d, what is left? Her. Say treat. Without t, what is left? Tree. Say drive. Without v, what is left? Dry. Say slope. Without p, what is left? Slow. And our last activity is going to be substituting the vowel in words. Let's say the sounds in plain. Pull a, n. Change the a to a, and it becomes pull a, n, plan. Say freeze. Let's say the sounds in freeze. For ease. Change the e in the middle to o, and it becomes for o's, froze. Let's say the sounds in cream. Cream. Change the e in the middle to and it becomes crumb. Say crab. Crab. Change the a in the middle to it, and it becomes crib. Crib. Say grain. Grain. Change the a in the middle to e, and it becomes green. Green. Nice job today.